Welcome to our channel where we make the complex world of cryptocurrency simple and accessible for everyone. Ever felt like cryptocurrency is this exclusive club for the wealthy? Like it's only for those who can afford luxury mansions and yachts? Like you need a vault full of cash to even think about Bitcoin? Or that you need to be rolling in $100 bills to get started? Well, that's just not true. You don't need to be a millionaire to start your crypto journey. In this essay, we'll break down how anyone, even on a tight budget, can start investing in cryptocurrency. We'll cover the basics and give you actionable steps. We're talking simple strategies, practical tips, and understanding the basics without all the confusing jargon. You'll learn how to navigate the crypto world with confidence. So, whether you're a student just starting your career, or simply want to dip your toes into the exciting world of crypto, stick around, this guide is for everyone. We'll show you how to get started, even with just a few bucks to spare. You don't need a fortune to begin, just a willingness to learn and a bit of curiosity. Let's make those crypto dreams a reality. Stay tuned, and let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency together. The first step is understanding you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. Many people think they need thousands of dollars to get started, but that's not the case. Cryptocurrencies are divisible, meaning you can buy tiny fractions. This makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of budget. Think of it like buying slices of a pizza instead of the whole pie. You can start with just a small piece and add more as you go. Platforms like Coinbase or Binance let you buy a dollar amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptos. These platforms are user-friendly and designed for beginners. Another great option is micro-investing. This method allows you to invest small amounts regularly, making it easier to build your portfolio over time. Apps like Robinhood or Stash let you invest spare change from everyday purchases into crypto. It's a seamless way to start investing without even noticing. Bought a coffee for $3.50? These apps will round up your purchase to the nearest dollar. They'll round it up to $4, and that extra 50 cents goes into your chosen crypto. It's an effortless way to grow your investment. Remember, starting small is smart. It allows you to dip your toes in without feeling overwhelmed. It lets you learn the ropes, get comfortable with the technology, and understand how the market moves, all without risking a lot of money. Over time, you can gradually increase your investment as you gain more confidence and knowledge. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to explore more advanced strategies to grow your crypto holdings. Just like a garden, your crypto portfolio needs regular care and attention to flourish. There are several methods to nurture and expand your investments. One popular strategy is dollar-cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of the price. By doing so, you can mitigate the risk of market volatility. For example, you might decide to invest $10 every week. This consistent approach helps average out your purchase price over time. By spreading your investments, you reduce the impact of price swings and can potentially increase your returns in the long run. Another option is exploring staking or yield farming. These methods allow you to earn rewards by locking up your crypto assets. Staking involves participating in the network's security and operations, while yield farming typically involves providing liquidity to decentralized finance platforms. By doing so, you can earn additional crypto as a reward, similar to earning interest on a traditional savings account. It's like earning interest on your crypto savings. However, always research and understand the risks involved before trying these strategies. The crypto world evolves fast, so staying informed is key. Regularly check for updates and new opportunities to ensure your crypto garden continues to thrive. By staying proactive and informed, you can make the most of your crypto investments and watch your digital garden grow. Investing in cryptocurrency comes with risks, just like any investment. It's crucial to protect yourself and your investment. Firstly, use reputable exchanges and platforms. Do your research, read reviews, and choose platforms known for their security and user-friendliness. Secondly, keep your crypto secure. Use strong, unique passwords for your exchange accounts and consider using a hardware wallet for extra security. Think of it like locking up your valuables in a safe. Finally, only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, meaning prices can go up and down quickly. Never invest more than you're comfortable losing. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New projects, technologies, and trends emerge all the time. So never stop learning. There are tons of free resources available online. Articles, videos, podcasts, and communities dedicated to all things crypto. Take advantage of these resources to stay updated and make informed decisions. Remember, investing in yourself is just as important as investing in any asset. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Don't be afraid to ask questions, join online communities, and engage in discussions. The crypto community is full of passionate individuals eager to share their knowledge. So there you have it. Investing in cryptocurrency doesn't have to be intimidating even on a budget. Remember, start small, do your research, stay informed, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. If you found this essay helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And let me know in the comments below what other crypto topics you'd like me to cover. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. This information is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Happy investing!